If you've been following along, hopefully you've already seen the video where I showed you how we can email the parts that you get from your customers directly into the Toolpath system so that we can begin the process of estimating the part while you're doing other things. If you haven't, I'll toss a card here for you to watch that, but that's not the point of this video. Today I want to show you how we can continue to move that data along the process and share what's understood in the estimating process with the programming process. So just as a quick review, we've got the part here in Toolpath. We've understood the tools required to machine the part, and that's based on your tools. If you're using a trial, then the sample set of tools, but this is based on a specific set of tools to analyze the part's machinability. And we've also identified the required setups and operations that are going to be used to machine that part. All of this is done by calculating a full Toolpath strategy in the background to ultimately come up with the quote, the estimate that evaluates what the cost is going to be associated with these strategies and with the number of setups. But when you accept that work, you then need to move on to the programming process, and we want that data to flow smoothly into the programming step. So I'm going to show you a little bit of beta functionality. I'm simply copying the unique ID for this part, and then we're going to open up Fusion. From the Toolpath add-in, and you need to have beta access at this point to get the add-in, we can pull the program. I'll simply enter in the unique identifier, and what that's going to do is pull this program from the Toolpath service into Fusion. We'll give it a second. I'm not going to speed the video up because I think it's better to be open about how long it takes. But you can see the geometry is now pulled in. The next step will be associating and generating the toolpaths, and that'll happen in just a few seconds. So once the operations are produced, we can see over here, just as expected, we've produced the same setups that we had in the Toolpath web experience. The toolpaths have been generated for each of those toolpaths, and if I open up one of these pockets, let's maybe take the pocket machining out this, we can open the pocket and you can see that even in the geometry, we've made an appropriate chain selection so that we've shared all of the homework that went into building the estimate is now shared with the programming process. You can quickly do your simulation and post it for your machine. Anyway, I hope you're excited with where we're going. Cheers.